guys, and welcome to our channel. My name is Amy, and it's been a while since I filmed a clean with me, so I wanted to give you some cleaning motivation before the end of the year. Today I'm just going to focus on my bedroom and the kitchen, so I'm going to get this laundry folded and put away, and then move on to the dusting and vacuuming. For the longest time I would just use water and a little bit of pledge or end dust on our wood furniture, but recently I decided to try this Method Daily Wood Cleaner in the almond scent, and I love it. It works really well and the scent isn't overpowering at all, it just smells really good. I'm still using coffee filters instead of paper towels for the mirrors and windows, and I'm still really liking that. And I decided to try the Method glass cleaner, which I have to say works just as well as my DIY glass cleaner of water and rubbing alcohol. So even though I do like this, I'll probably stick to making it myself since I think they both work equally well. So in just a second, you'll see my cat Sunny wake up really fast and jump off the bed. For some reason, whenever I move these artificial trees around, even the tiniest bit, he gets so scared. He's one of those poor cats who's afraid of his own shadow.
You don't think before you act. There's something really off about that. Can't you see the problem with just caring about yourself? Maybe you should try to do something for someone else. You gotta give a little, just to get a little. Gotta give a little, just to. There's something about you. You don't care about what you do. You gotta give a little, just to get a little, or you'll never find success. If you don't give a little, just to get a little, no one's gonna hold you back. You and I have different ways. I don't like how you misbehave. Even if a shadow falls over your group of friends, you don't care if you can benefit from someone else. You gotta give a little, just to get a little. You gotta give a little, just to. There's something about you. You don't care about what you do. You gotta give a little, just to get a little, or you'll never find success.
So if you're new to my channel, I have a Dyson V7 Motorhead vacuum. I've only had this for a few months, but I really love it. I'll include a link down in the description box in case you're interested.
Give me something back. You gotta give me something back. You don't think before you act. Something really off about that. Give me something back. There's something about you. You don't care about Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts. When you say my name, but thinking of hers. I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be in love?
I'm really loving this walnut scrubber sponge from Grove Collaborative. They're $3.95 for a set of 2, which sounds a little steep, but trust me, they're totally worth it.
Your face, but it's not your tone.
I'm using up the last of my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray in the basil scent, which I always pour into this old Caldre spray bottle because I just like the way it looks.
That is here with me and not where he might be. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do.
So I'm just gonna finish by lighting some candles, and that's it for this speed clean with me. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation with Christmas just around the corner. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.